Hey guys, today I'm going to make some chicken and biscuits in the slow cooker. It'll be kind of like a chicken pot pie. So let's get crocking. I cut up 2 large chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces. Put them in the bottom of my slow cooker there. So I'm seasoning this with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic and onion in it. And I'll kind of get that mixed up so they're all coated. I've also added 2 cans of soup. The one on the right is cream of mushroom, and then the one on the left is cream of chicken, and also 1 can of water. And I'm going to season that with a little bit more Johnny's seasoned pepper, and then add a 1-pound bag of frozen mixed vegetables. And I'll get this all mixed up. Now I'm going to top this with frozen biscuits. I think you could use the ones in the can as well, but frozen ones are what I have, so that's what I'm going to use. There's 12 of these biscuits in a pack. I put 6 on there, but you can put as many as you want. I'm going to get the lid on there now. Now I'm going to cook this on high, and we'll be back in a bit. Okay, it's been about 3.5 hours. Let's see how this looks. Wow. Look at that. The biscuits spread out. They look almost like a crust on the top. And it browned up around the edges. A little bit not too brown in the center there, but the edges look nice. Anyway, I guess we'll get some out and try it out. All right, let's get some out of here. Okay, biscuit looks good. Looks pretty good to me. The biscuits look good. They're not gummy or doughy in the center. They're nice and cooked through. I don't know if I've seen anybody use frozen biscuits like that, but it seemed to work fine. So let's try a bite of it and see how it is, see how it tastes. That came out really good. It's even better than I expected. Tastes a lot like a chicken pot pie. I guess we'll let Annie try it. You want to try a piece of chicken, Annie? There you go. Looks like it's Annie approved. I made this the other day just to try it out, but I only cooked it for 3 hours that time, and everything was cooked, but the biscuits didn't brown up much. So this time they browned up a lot better. I let them go about 3 hours and 45 minutes. So it takes about that extra half hour, 45 minutes for the biscuits to brown up like that. But anyway, I'll write the ingredients in the description. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.